Hi guys! For today's video, we are going to talk about fundamental counting principle. Let's try to solve this problem. During fiesta, as one of our traditions, sweet delicacies are always present. Your mother prepares ubing halaya, buko salad, and sweetened bakapuno. Now, if you are supposed to help your mother in preparing the dishes to be served in the visitors, then in how many ways can you serve the sweet delicacies? Okay, using the fundamental counting principle, dahil meron tayong tatlong delicacies, let's have this one. Okay, sa first serving, ilan ang option mo? Tatlo. Ubing halaya, sweetened bakapuno, and buko salad. So, may tatlo kang option. Ngayon, pag na-serve mo na yung isa, ilan na lang magiging option mo? Dalawa na lang. It's either na-serve mo yung ubing halaya, kaya ang option mo na lang ay buko salad at sweetened bakapuno. Okay? Ngayon, na-serve mo na rin yung pangalawang delicacy. Tatlo yan, di ba? Na-serve mo na yung una, na-serve mo na yung pangalawa. Ilan na lang ang option mo sa third? Isa na lang. Okay? Then we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. So you have 6 ways. Okay, now you try. What if you have ubing halaya, buko salad, sweetened bakapuno, leche flan, and buko pandan? So 5 delicacies na yung isa-serve mo. In how many ways can you serve these 5 sweet delicacies? Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!